Byron's making some door latches for the gas Lombard log haulers.
The new cabins that Terry Harper is building in his students. Section right here.
Don't look at me with that. I had nothing to do with it. He thought he lost the cook.
Jesus, I sure did. Trying to clean with ass over the damn box, that big pole flipped up in the air, and
I'd have been alright if you hadn't hit it.
I thought sure it caught his legs. I mean, that might be dangerous.
You want a speech? I'm up on my soapbox here. So what are we working on next? That's that.
Yeah, you guys want to come fix my shed? I'll trade you. It just gets like if the only thing I'm using it for is moving the shed. Like I just want to set it on it.
How big a piece?
Holding it up.
Here, right? It doesn't look like it's moved much because it's probably you know it's sitting on the foundation of this right there.
This is a prep, and people could still get in and out fast.
Well, that might be the easiest way to do that. Would be just to build up to just below the door, and then we could do that with dirt, I think. Set up there when people are here.
I think if you took it off, you could move you could settle and then these at some point. Put it down. So in the 90s, we had Kaleidoscope Village here, which was CISV, and it's a youth peace organization, an international organization. But we hosted a day camp, and then we had at the end of the week we'd have everyone filming sleep out in tents. And so we had activities all over Leonard's Mills, and we used the amphitheater, the old amphitheater, and had all of the different buildings and used the whole space. It was so lovely. Bring your kayak, BYOK. Okay, there's nothing under it?
A little skim coat of pressure
Oh,
dust to bring
amazing.
that up.
Real easy. And then you can bring it on. What year?
Recently cut that log. Yeah. Came up off the bottom or something.
If you want to square that corner.
I got 19 foot 8.